How to edit or move the location on any Facebook post. I will show you in this video. Hey everyone, welcome to the Xpedians YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location you added to your FB post. You can change the location and also you can remove the attached location details so that your post doesn't include any location tag. Subscribe to us to keep getting these helpful videos regularly. Now let's start. Go to the post, tap and select edit post. Hit this cross icon to remove the location. To add a new location, at the bottom of your screen, tap location. Search for and select a new location. In the top right, tap save. Now go to FB and change the location details of any of your posts. Like this video if it helps you. Share it with others. Thank you for watching.